Hello, everybody. Yeah, I wanted to make this video before I get it back to winding the rest of the coils. And this is still with the 4 halfway generator excited. And I wanted to show, because I previously showed on the forum, the outer secondary. This is the inner outer secondary, and it's 16 gauge. It's not as thick as the 14 one that I have here, but it's on the outer part. And this captures the movement of the field that we're doing. The pulsations only one side. I got the same commutator halfway, and it's only the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and peak right here at uh, 90 degrees. Uh, I wanted to show this because you guys can see that it can output as well as the inner one. Actually, it does outputs more because of more winding, and it captured the entire volume of it without any interference. And the only iron he's using is this one. It's a quarter, an inch and a quarter rod, solid rod. I have to add the plates when I'm testing, because the plates give a lot of more. I mean, not a lot, but it gives not a lot right now. But when you have the full generator, you need heavier caps on each edge, so they absorb and they keep the field that it's in contained by the electrolytic caps. This time I'm running, the difference here is I'm running also a 560 microfarads, and I'm running it between coils 1 and 2. That's where I get a better response on actually on getting the field not collapsing, and also not arcing that much on the commutator. Okay, this meter here is still measuring the inner secondary, and that one will be measuring the outer one. Voltage wise, I still have the yellow channel 1 for output of the inner, and this time I got channel 3 as it's a purple color that I have it connected to the outer secondary. I have the clamps, the amp probes right here, but they're not connected. They are on the blue, all the blue on below the line. Channel 1 and channel 3 voltage are right one. You can see the purple because it's right behind the yellow. And I don't have this bulb connected, and I also have this bulb that is not connected yet. And this one I plug it right here to the outer of the inner. That one goes to the inner, and the outer I plug it right here. Right here. So anyways, I'm trying to do it with one hand, the movement and everything. iPad is better for downloading videos directly to YouTube through Wi-Fi. And anyways, the input. This time I'm running with 28 volts. And yeah, I'm gonna start take it for a spin. And you can see the waves there. The purple, even though it's the same specs as number 1, it goes higher, or lower and upper. So anyways, and you can see the voltages there. This jump from AC to DC. So that's the output. Now I'm gonna add the volts, like 59 and 40. And I'm gonna add these volts right here, which is this one. We got light from here. And I'm gonna plug this one here. And we got light. So we got two lights, and still the voltage drop is around 2 volts. And of course, if I accelerate, we get more light. And that it's okay. It's only the that's only remember we had 28 volts input, and we're just watching the voltage. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the clamps on 10 millivolts, 10 millivolts, the amp clamps, and the bulbs are connected. I'm just gonna take a quick test. I'm gonna disconnect channel 1 and channel 3, which is the voltage. I'm sorry, I did it wrong. Okay, now we got all the blues. That's current. That's the current with the 2 bulbs on. And I still don't have we still got 43 volts here and 30 here. I didn't add the plates. As you see, it goes from 43. It doesn't get that much, but it adds a little bit. Well, you can hear the vibration. And actually these caps are the ones that I'm putting in here after I clean all the rust. But it dampens the vibration a little bit. So, and I wanted to show you this so you see that I'm not joking when I said I spoke about high currents in here. These I'm gonna do a short circuit, try not to touch it. And you see that so we got power, and it's dangerous. So please be careful. Don't underestimate this system. When you have it in full, it's kind of dangerous. So please, according to your setup, of course, if you have a miniature one, a little toy that you're playing with it, that's fine. But what I'm saying is try to be very careful, because it can output some voltage, and it will shock you. Anyways, oh, I forgot to say that I have also connected the same 40 microfarad, the same as I had before, but this one is for this one. It cleans the wave, so it doesn't see too many spikes on it hanging on the whole screen, and that's kind of I'm gonna run it so you can see it. I'm gonna disconnect this. So you see it keeps on jumping, and the voltage also gets kind of a scrambly. I got all 4 channels there. Smokes on. Our motor is full power here. So this is it. The only thing that actually get us limited in here is the speed on the commutator, and actually this motor goes faster, but I'm limited by this power source. Only goes 30 volts max and 5 amps. It doesn't need the 5 amps. It consumes a little bit. Anyways, but the point is I'm gonna build a better commutator and a better system for that lower. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you at the forum. I'm getting back to winding though. I gotta finish this to run the full test. The phone has not started yet. This is only the beginning, and this is not really that much of it. I don't see that much. When you have a full assembled generator, then you guys will see the difference on what I've been showing so far. Anyways, have a good one. Thank you for watching.